Welcome to Chain of Thoughts. This channel is all about practical AI, automation, and integration. No hype, no theory, just real strategies that help teams cut manual work and operate smarter. Today, I want to talk about something most companies get wrong. Automation doesn't fail because of AI or the tools. It fails because of 5 silent killers inside the business. Number 1, no clear owner. Everyone assumes automation belongs to someone else. When no one owns it, nothing moves. Number 2, no process clarity. Teams try to automate chaos. If the manual process isn't clear or consistent, the automation will multiply the mess. You can create clarity out of chaos. Number 3, wrong expectation. Leaders expect AI to magically replace work, but every automation needs iteration, testing, and maintenance. Ignoring that kills momentum. Number 4, dirty data. Messy CRMs, missing fields, duplicates, inconsistent naming. Bad data quietly destroys automation results. And number 5, no internal enablement. Companies buy tools but don't train the people who need them. No skills mean no adoption. No adoptions means no ROI. If you are seeing any of this in your company, it's not an AI problem. It's a foundation problem. Fix this first, and automation become multiplier instead of a frustration. If you want more practical content like this, subscribe to Chain of Thoughts. This channel is here to help you build a real automation, scale your operation, and more done with less effort. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.